Hello guys, welcome back to my channel ITHelp. Today I will share how to make a Wi-Fi range extender or Wi-Fi repeater easily. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also like and share. First you see the router information which is need to log in. You see the reset button, I was reset my router. First I will check my laptop is connect the new router but no internet connection. Now let's go to the main configuration. I will go to the link tplink.wifi.net. Then put the username and password. Username admin and also password is admin. Go to the wireless basic setting from left menu. Then select the Wi-Fi name as you wish. Then you select the main router channel long, then enable WDS. Now put main router name and click scan. Now you see the main router and also channel long, then click connect. See the main router MAC address automatically came here. Now put main router password and click save. Then go to the wireless security from left menu. Change the password whatever I used before. Then click save. Then go to the DHCP menu from left menu. Disable DHCP and click save. Then go to the network menu from the left menu. You see the IP address. It's by default set 192.168.0.1. If you want access your router using your local IP instead of tplink.wifi.net or like this IP, you just put the IP address and click save. Now see the status and all is okay. Now connect the repeater and check internet connection. You see internet connection is okay. Let's browse the internet. It's also okay.